I want to ask you a question. Are you satisfied? That is the question. That is our word for this year, is satisfied. Are you satisfied? What does it mean to be satisfied? When we get the understanding of this word, whatever you're studying in Scripture, whatever you're praying for God to do in your life, when you understand satisfied, it helps us keep everything in perspective. So the word satisfied, it means to be content with what has been experienced or received. Yesterday in church, they kept talking about the power of the resurrection and how that same power is available to us today, how we were created to live exceedingly abundantly, but yet we live in such an average or below average attitude. And I believe the reason in my life that I fall into that category is because I'm not always allowing myself to experience being satisfied. Satisfied in who God created me to be. Satisfied in how He's designed me to be this wife and this mother. And so many times I fail at that. And the reason is because I haven't totally learned to be satisfied, to be content with who He's created in me. God has called us to be satisfied. And what I love about the definition is being content with what we have received. And God has given us everything we need to succeed. To succeed as a wife, to succeed as a mother, to succeed as a business person, or whatever your life entails. Being satisfied helps us recognize the fullness of what God has created. When we're always in want, when we're always in lack of contentment, then we're missing out on the fullness that God's created. We're missing out on the term satisfied. So this is our word for the year, and I just want to challenge you. Ask yourself, am I satisfied in what God has given me? What I have received? Because everything you need has been given to you to be able to achieve the desires of your heart that God's planted in your heart. So today, our word is satisfied. Our word for the year is satisfied. Look around you. Look at the things God has given you and ask yourself, am I satisfied with what I have received from the Lord? And if not, it's time to chat. Not with me, but with Him. This is Annette Reader, encouraging you to be satisfied.